Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Reality Budgets and my name is Victoria, and in today's video we are going to be doing a nail tutorial. So the last time I did this video y'all really loved it, so I figured every time I change out my nails I'm just gonna do a quick video. I'm not going to be talking through this video. I will link a card or link the original down in the description box so that you can see the step-by-step, but I will be putting text on the bottom. Reason being is that my kids are home and I don't want to have them be quiet while I make this video. So I'm just going to kind of go through this, but hopefully you like it. I'm well overdue for some nails. And if you are new here, I would love if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. And also give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and leave me a comment down below and let me know if you found any useful tips or if you have any questions at all. I will link all the products in the description box like I did the last time, and I hope you all enjoy, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, y'all, so I just wanted to jump in really quick and say that I wanted to try using these nail adhesive tabs because I feel like the glue gets stuck on my nails, and it's kind of like, also making my nails a little bit unhealthy. So I'm going to try these and I'll let you know how it works. If it doesn't work that well, I'll just continue to use the glue and maybe like put a barrier of like nail strengthening underneath the glue. But I will let you know how that works. So this is the finished product. And yeah, I hope you like it. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. It was hard to do the gel on top of the thing here, so there are some like imperfections here and there, but hey, that's what you get when you do your nails by yourself. But I will see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.